Who is it?
KJ.
Come in, KJ.
I got some milk for Daddy.
Milk for Daddy. He's sleeping right now.
What's this, Kevin? What's this?
I don't know.
What's this?
It's mail.
Oh,
It came out of mailbox.
oh, Shay, this is something from your parents. I think it's from Grandma, right? All right, take your finger out your mouth, baby. It's from Grandma. Let's see what it. Oh, I think it's some type of. Let me see what. Oh, it's a card. Wait a minute, hold up. All right, it's a card. Look, baby, it's a card.
For Grandma's birthday?
It's a $50 gift certificate to Chili's. We go to Chili's, people. Y'all want to go to Chili's?
Yes, let's go to Chili's.
I'm going to get me.
Chili's.
Oh, I love my mother and father-in-law.
I love my
It's for Grandma.
and my.
It's from Grandma and Papa. Hey! Give me that. No. Okay, baby. Okay, thank you. Oh, I really have to send them something to thank them for this. This is perfect. Hey! It's supposed to be on me. I'm the star, not them. Cut!